Upgrading hidden integrated audio-visual wiring during new home construction delivers seamless indoor-outdoor entertainment without visible cables. Start by mapping listening and viewing zones so each outdoor area ties into indoor sources with minimal signal loss, and position speakers at least 3 feet from corners to reduce bass buildup while angling them toward main seating. Run dedicated conduit from the media room to each outdoor zone so future wire changes use the conduit rather than tearing finishes, and choose conduit with an inner diameter at least 50% larger than the bundle you expect, so pulling fish tape is straightforward. Specify weather-resistant speaker enclosures rated for outdoor use and pick stainless steel or UV-stabilized connectors to prevent corrosion. Use in-wall back boxes for any recessed elements to keep rat lines hidden. Place the media rack in a ventilated closet with sound-dampening panels to minimize noise, and use balanced audio runs for distances longer than 20 feet to avoid hum and interference. If a fully wired path is impossible, plan for a low-latency wireless streaming bridge with line-of-sight or a licensed point-to-point link, and ensure both ends are powered by surge-protected outlets. Label both ends of every pull, and keep a single page as built diagram with wire colors and connector types stored digitally so future technicians can make changes without blind tracing. Common mistakes start with running speaker and source wires inside non-conduit pathways that then become impossible to upgrade without demolition. Fix this by always installing conduit during rough-in. Another issue is selecting indoor-rated speakers for outdoor use, which leads to rapid failure from moisture and sun, so specify true outdoor-rated speakers and marine-grade connectors up front. People also often place racks or amplifiers in unventilated closets, which causes overheating and premature equipment failure. Avoid that by adding ventilation or a small quiet rack fan and keeping amps in a ventilated space. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on integrated audio-visual and concealed wiring upgrades, and it also helps contractors find clients seeking those services. We host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share project photos, wiring tips, and vendor experiences to make planning smoother for everyone.